Welcome back to another Project D update. Today we're mainly going to be talking about the roll cage. Before we took D off the road, we had a half cage fitted. This means it's only the rear half of the roll cage. This is only really for looks rather than purpose, and it's known as a show cage. We wanted to extend it and make it into a full cage, just so it looks better for shows. We also wanted to relocate the rear mounting points, which means we needed to make some extra brackets up for it. Here is some of the work that went into making these brackets. So we need to find the centre of these spacers so we can drill a hole through them for the bolt to go through. There's a few different methods to find the centre of a circle, but we prefer the easy way. First off, we draw around the circle or the spacer. So we've got it there. Then, using something with a right angle on, we join up two of the outer edges. Like that. Then we do the same for the other two. Like so. And we'll just extend these lines. And then we've got our circle in a square. All we need to do then is go across the centre, joining the two corners of the square together. And there we have the centre of our circle. Now we've got it cut out, we'll just literally lay it on top of our spacer, dot punch where the crosses align, and we've got the centre of our circle ready with a dot punch to drill the hole. So we've dot punched the centres, now it's time to drill them. We use a little bit of oil just to keep the drill bit cool. And there we have it. One drilled spacer. The rear half of the roll cage was got from our good friend and supporter, Bespoke ST. He has donated a lot of parts for Project D, and we can't thank him enough. This is our first solo attempt at building a roll cage, and also the first time we have used a tube bender. We used a straight section of exhaust pipe to get the shape that we wanted and make a template, as this thin steel is easier to work with than the roll cage material. Then we tried to copy this shape with the tube bender and fit the piece to the car. It didn't go too bad, but it is still a learning process for us, and in time we should get better. The whole cage is bolt in and out and removable, so we can take it out to work on the car when we need to. This is because it is only a show cage and we do not have to meet any race standards or requirements with it. Once we have it all bolted in and we're happy with it, we'll be removing it all over again and painting it red with the students. We would like to thank Matt Jones at Jones & Wymark Steelworks for donating us the metal to build the front half of the roll cage. We hope you enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave us a like and some comments. Let us know what you think of the project.